Hi, I'm Daisy. My 7th lab experiment in advanced data mining lab is ensemble based classification. Understand the working of ensemble based classification by implementing ensemble of same model applied on subsets of recording, ensemble of different models applied on same data, ensemble of same model applied on subsets of fields. Now let's move on to rapid miner. Here the data set for the first one random, the data set is golf, and then we are using an operator called random forest. This operator generates a set of specified number of random trees, that is, it generates a random forest. The resulting model is a voting model of all the trees. And then we have apply model. This operator applies an already learned or trained model on an example set. Here we have another operator named, this is another data set, we have retrieved a data set here. Now when you run this, here you can see the attributes like play, prediction, confidence and all this. Now in the bagging, here you have a data set called sonar, and then the operator used is validation. In the validation we have training set and testing set. In the bagging is in the training set. Bagging operator is bootstrap aggregating, is a machine learning ensemble meta algorithm to improve classification and regression models in terms of stability. And then the testing side we use apply model and performance operator. Now when you run this, here we have the table view, and here in the bagging, when double click on the bagging, you have a sonar dataset connected to a decision tree operator. Decision tree operator for classification of both nominal and numerical data, it generates it. So you can see that in the result you have the table view. The accuracy is 86.05%. Then here you have class precisions. These are class recalls. And then the bagging, you have the number of models of decision trees. And then the next one is add a boost. In this you have a data set called sonar data, and then validation, it performs a cross validation. And then here in the validation, in the training set we have the add a boost, and in the testing apply model and performance. When you double click on the add a boost, you have a data set called sonar data, which is connected to a decision tree operator. And then now when you run this, here you can see the table view, and then here this is the decision tree that has been created in the add a boost. Thank you. This is all for the 7th experiment.